na akong Bisaya diha. So akong kuan ay buhaton karon mga ka-vlogs kay naiupaw diri day. Naiupaw. Naiupaw. Iya pangalan si Unyok. Ya, ang pangalan niya kay si Kuan. Son of Heaven. Son of Heaven. Nyok. Ano masultan ni mo, Nyok? Ha? Hotdog. So, maligo ko ron guys. Ah? Again, is that sound? So, karon mga kabisaya kaya mga kasyon Bisaya. Maligo ko karon. Nga sa atong kaligo kay kinahanglan gyud nga ato sayawan para mawa ang mga kuan ba?
Yeah, let's set a sex up. Give it to me good, take the drawers off. He can hit it from the back, take it off.
Take it out west, sling it out west. Go metallic night, I can shake it out west. This is #1 champion sign.
I'ma put it there.
If you put it down right, like the way I want it, play it all in, I'ma pull it off. God put you in my life for a purpose, and we might fuss and fight, but it's worth it. Pónteme de espalda. Ahí. 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 Like him is sweet like a girl. And he got a vice to his girl. See both sides like a girl. See on both sides like a girl. Want that bitch. I feel like
Nagsayal ko karon. Nagsayal. Sayal. Nalaban ako ang kuan. Ano karon guys, ang mga gigsuwan nila ko diha. Kay ano kaligo. Mo taong kaligo. Sabay sayaw. And thank you for watching guys.